Welcome to Sliver and Bite TV. Today we're making fried rice. Fried rice is one of those dishes that is enjoyed around the world a million times over. There is more effort in the preparation for fried rice than actually executing the cook. For instance, the Char Siu, which you can also find at sliverandbite.com.au. It is a fantastic barbecued Chinese pork. The rice, for the best outcome and so that it doesn't stick in the wok when you go to fry it, essentially, it's best to have it done the day before. All of the chopping and preparing the sauce, which is the least of your worry. It's about the Char Siu, basically. I'm going to get going. I'm going to cook my barbecue pork, aka Char Siu, chop all of my vegetables and mix my sauce, and I'll be right back with you, ready to put it through the wok. A little film magic. I've just removed the Char Siu from the oven, and I'm going to set that off to the side and cover it with some foil so that it keeps it nice and juicy. First lot of oil going into the wok. Now we want to make this extremely hot. As soon as you put the egg into the wok, you want it to bubble. After about 1 minute, give it its first turn around just to loosen the raw egg on top, and then add in your green onion and sliced chili. After about a minute, another turn around the wok just to remove any of the raw egg off of the top, and about 30 seconds after that, one last little turn around and then into a bowl set to the side. You can actually have the egg still a little bit raw because it will, one, continue to cook in the bowl when it's set off to the side, and also once it's added back into the rice. More oil into the pan. Get that nice and hot, and then we're adding in our chopped brown onion. We are just sauteing this until it's translucent. After about 2 minutes, add in your diced garlic. Saute that for approximately another 2 minutes, and then into a clean bowl and set off to the side. Our last little bit of oil going in, make that nice and hot, and this is for our rice now. Once you add the rice, you want to break up any of the clumps and continuously turn it so that you coat all of the rice with the oil. Now we're ready for our flavorings. Approximately 3 minutes into the cook, we want to make sure that the rice is warm all the way through, especially if it's come from the fridge. Around the outside, pour in the flavouring and mix that quickly so that you have an even spread of the flavourings. Now you can add your onion and your egg. Chop up the egg as you mix it through the rice. You didn't see me pour it in, but you will add a couple of tablespoons of Char Siu wine. Now to finish off, some shallots, and get your bowl ready to receive the fried rice. The more the better. It is such a great meal prep item. Now to garnish, some shallots, some green onion / spring onion, and some slices of chili. And here is the Char Siu. Look how beautifully tender that is. You can have it in big strips on the top and have it as a side, or dice it up and mix it through your fried rice. There you have it, homemade fried rice, just as good, if not better, than store-bought.